Hello beautiful beings, rise and shine. Today I'm off to apparently one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Costa Rica. I'm going to be doing a shamanic ritual up there after some big healing. So it promises to be an awesome adventure. Please join for the ride. And we're on the way. You gotta start early here in Costa Rica because it gets hot. Super excited. There is some water, but it's not pumping. Honestly, Costa Rica is one of the most abundant places I've ever been to. Nature just thrives here. It's so green all the time. It's just such a privilege to be in this space. It's not even 8 AM and it's absolutely roasting. I'm looking forward to a good swim. This looks like a natural gateway, and I always like asking permission from the spirits before I enter a sacred space like a waterfall or anything like that. Hello. I am hitting. Woo! Sweaty boy. Just about to do an offering for Pachamama. Apparently she likes sweet things according to the people of the Andes. So I got her some chocolate. Now the ritual is quite a complex ritual. It involves breaking old patterns, and this is the ritual. Simple as that. Old patterns broken. It was such a gift to be under that waterfall. You can't help but just feel so alive, and in these spaces I just feel so much peace. And spend days here, you know. I find in the city often I get caught running after sense pleasures, entertainment, things like that, but you come here and it's just so simple and so beautiful and pure, and such a blessing to remember. So to more time spent in special spaces like this. Aho. Oh man, what a place that is. What a waterfall. Waterfall Nauyaca. If you guys are ever in the area, definitely check it out. And now I'm off to Dominical Organic Market, which is a dream. Welcome to paradise. Shoo! Bought myself some rapé again. Nice to be back on this practice. One masculine powder, one feminine powder. Keep the energies nice and balanced. My accommodation for the night. Jokes. Would be cool though. Looks epic. Wow. Gonna come do my meditation in here in the morning. Ooh. Landed in my spot for the night, and it's heaven. So many nice little meditation spots and chill spots, and just really nice to just be unwinding, chilling out, and yeah, enjoying all that life has to offer after quite an intense eclipse week. But yeah, feeling good, feeling refreshed and renewed in many ways. Thank you, stars. Wow, I still can't get over Nauyaca Falls. I hope you enjoyed the adventure as much as I did, and maybe even got something inspirational or useful out of it. But yeah, if you did enjoy it, please subscribe, please like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or anything, and yeah, follow along for the ride. I hope to have lots more fun adventures with the odd pearl of wisdom here and there, and as always, lots of love. Alrighty, humanity, one love.